Hi, and welcome to our series on creating a video project using free web-based video editing software. My name is Mike Benson, and in this video we are going to log in to ClipChamp and begin to explore the software. We want to start at the website clipchamp.com and then click on the Sign Up button. This will take us to a page where we are asked to select an option. I'm selecting Education. We're then asked to create an account using one of these methods. I prefer to not click on my other accounts, so I'm choosing Use My Email. If you click this box, ClipChamp will send you emails. I'm choosing to not select this. Next, you are asked to enter your name and email address. Be sure to enter a correct email. The service will then send you an email to this account. The message will include a link which you will need to click to activate your account. Once you have activated your account, the website will open in your browser. If you are not using Google's Chrome browser, you will receive this message. If you don't have Chrome installed, you can download the software using this button. Once you have the software installed and open, go back to your email and click the link. This will open the website and the software within the Chrome browser. Now that you are logged in, we can start exploring the software. In the next video, we will look at ClipChamp's interface, upload our media, and start to build our video project. I hope to see you there.